Hey, what's up? It's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Pictory's affiliate program. Maybe you're wondering, can you make some money by promoting Pictory and their services? Let's check out this AI video generator, okay? If this is the first time that you're on my channel, on this channel I review all sorts of different strategies and ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Pictory's affiliate program to find out whether this is a cool way to generate some additional income, all right? Now, Pictory is a very popular AI video generator. It's really cool. You know, this day and age, you don't necessarily have to create all the videos from scratch. You can use an AI video generator like Pictory. You come here, you basically put in the prompts, you can give it your entire script, all right? And then it will basically piece all the different things together and create a nice video presentation for you. So it's going to save you a lot of time. You don't have to become an expert in video editing or anything like that. It's going to use AI sounds from 11 Labs. It even has AI voiceover, like fully voice generated AI software, which is really cool, right? It just saves you a lot of time and effort to create videos, right? Now, here's the thing. In this day and age, there are more and more people that need to create video. Especially, you know, a lot of people are going online. There are a lot of creators these days, a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of companies want to create more video because video is super duper powerful, and they don't necessarily want to hire large production companies to do it, so they can use Pictory, for example, to do that. And if you recommend them, you can make money from them too, all right? So let's just have a look at the pricing so that you can understand how this works, all right? So there's monthly and annual pricing. I've switched it to monthly right now. You can see the starter is $29 a month. Professional is $59, team is $199, and then there's enterprise, which is custom, all right? Most people will be between the starter and professional. So as an affiliate, you can literally recommend them and make money from their affiliate program, okay, which is really cool. Now, how much can you make? It's between 20% and 50% of that price point, all right? So depending if they go annual, which is billed on an annual basis, right? So at the starter level, it's 25 times 12. Professional is 35 times 12. Team is 119 times 12. So you do the math. You can potentially make quite a lot of money, you know, between the percentages of 20 and 50% commissions, depending on the tier that you are at, all right? And depending on whether they take you up on an annual or a monthly payment plan, which is cool, right? And so to become an affiliate, all you need to do is head over to their partner page, okay? And you can just type out Pictory AI affiliate program, and this is how you land on this page. And there are a few people that they want to partner up with, okay? Marketing partner, an ambassador, a service provider, a technology provider, all right? So it's very cool. You can come here. If you have a following, you can just recommend them and make commissions that way. It is especially good if you're in an industry where you have access to an audience that are interested in creating videos. That's very important, all right? So if you have an audience that is not so interested in creating video, this might not be so good for them. But a lot of people these days, a lot of different businesses, individuals are interested in making videos. So in that respect, you may be able to, you know, have multiple audiences that would be interested in this, right? Here is the only problem with the Pictory affiliate program, okay? Unfortunately, at this current time, they don't partner with people that are not experienced, okay? So if we come down to apply now, you can see very quickly what their requirements are. You just fill out this right here, your name, your last name, and email address. And this is really important, okay? So these are the people that they will not partner with. So anybody that focuses on deals, coupons, and discount codes, all right? If you're an affiliate that does that kind of stuff, they're not interested in that. If you have less than 1,000 visitors per month, all right, then they won't be able to work with you. So if you're an absolute beginner, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to promote Pictory as a product or a service, all right? If you think about it, 1,000 visitors per month is not very much at all. It's just 1,000 divided by 30. That's really little if you think about it, right? So you could get this up and running pretty quickly, even if you're a beginner. If you are and you don't know how to do this, don't worry, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can get started, right? If you use pay-per-click or search to generate sales, they're not interested. I think they want pretty much organic traffic, right? And if you have no active website or social media accounts. But the cool thing is that most people these days can set up a social media account pretty easily, and you can get to, you know, a few followers pretty quickly, and you probably already have a social media account, all right? The thing that's really stopping a lot of people would be this: having less than 1,000 visitors per month. So if you're an absolute beginner and you don't have an audience, then this may not be for you. But if you're somebody who's been doing this for a while, maybe you've got a decent sized TikTok channel, YouTube channel, maybe you have a blog about technology or entertainment or media or whatever it is, anything that fits into video creation, then the Pictory AI affiliate program may be a very easy, fit in for you. You just sign up here, you get your links, and then you promote it to your audience. And when they buy, you can make between 20 to 50% commissions on whatever plans that they join, which is super duper cool. All right. So I think Pictory is a really cool product. There are some really cool AI softwares out there. And if you can benefit by recommending their programs, then even better, right? Now, if you're here and you're a beginner and you're like, Aaron, I want to do something like this. I want to learn to promote other people's programs, but I'm an absolute beginner. I don't have 1,000 visitors per month. How can you do that? How can you start? How can you create this? And how can you, get the highest conversions and make a lot of sales possible? I've been doing affiliate marketing for a very long time, 15 plus years. That's the main way that I generate my income. I quit my full-time job. I've actually made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. I think it's the most amazing industry, and people from all over the world can get started as long as you understand how, right? So if you want to learn to get started, I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do that. All you need to do is just click the link right below this video to learn how to get started. And I hope you enjoyed this review of the Pictory affiliate program. See you in the next one.